Welcome, and I'm using Motorola Moto G71, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and locate the toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. As you can see, battery saver. Once you find it, click on it. It gives a quick pop-up that enabling this will turn on dark mode, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. Now, just to kind of clarify this, this extends it because the explanation here is kind of vague. So going into it a little bit, turn off or restrict background activities. It basically terminates applications that are not in use but are still like in the background, like these. So it will just kind of close them off. So that's one thing. Now another thing that will do, restrict or turn off visual effects. What it refers to is, for instance, high refresh rate. So as an example, I think this device has 120 Hz refresh rate, so it will drop it down to 60 to preserve more battery, and turns off High Google also. Anyway, let's just select turn on, and you can see there it is, the effect. Now it doesn't look like it changes the brightness, which is probably one of the things that I would recommend you to also change if you're planning to try to save as much battery as you can. Dropping your brightness from like the max to halfway. On the camera it might look a little bit dim, but it's still fairly visible for me. Just the camera is picking it up weirdly. But yeah, dropping it halfway will yield you like 3-4 hours of additional battery life. So I do recommend changing the brightness if you really want to have more battery life. Anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can tap on the toggle once again and it will revert everything back to the original state. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.